Hi, welcome back to Raunix. This is Ved Verma from Raunixtech services, and today I am going to discuss about our latest developed application, MeatG. MeatG is a single vendor application for non-veg and meat products. This application is developed for our client. Let me show you the application. So here is our application. You can see the application design part. The application comes with user application, website, admin panel, delivery boy application, complete source code, and 1-year technical support. So if you want to start your own application for meat delivery, then you can start it with our ready to launch application like this. Let me explain the features and functionality of the application. So here you can see the location of the users. All the products will be filtered out according to the current location. The application is taking my current location. If you want to search the products, then you can search products from here like this. We have added sliders that you can control from the admin panel. You can give any links to the sliders. Also, the sliders support external links as well. Here you can see the categories. You can add more categories from the admin panel. Also, at the bottom side, you can see the special product that can be controlled from the admin panel. Here you can see today's special and other layout for the categories. You can see the category layout and all other categories from here. Suppose you want to place an order for any product, then you can click on the product like this and the product will be open like this. You can click to log in. It will ask you to log in first before placing an order. So let me log in first with my credentials. You can log in or register from yours. The application also supports the Google login and Facebook login. Let me reload the application. So this is how the application reload. It will ask you to allow location permissions at starting. So now suppose I want to add to cart this product. So click on this product and we can see the product image, the name, ratings, price, variations, descriptions and add-ons. When we click on add to cart, it will directly redirect to home page after adding to cart. If there are any coupons available for that particular product, then it will show something like this, that you are going to save this much amount. If you want to view the cart, then you can click view the cart and it will redirect you to the cart page. Also, you can click here to view the cart at cart button. From here you can see the cart details, the product details. If you want to increase the quantity or you can decrease the quantity from here. If you have any coupon, then you can apply the coupon from here. If you want home delivery, then you can choose it from here. If you want self pickup, then you can do it from here. You can also enable or disable self pickup feature from the admin panel. The taxes, bad tax, add-ons and discounted price can be managed from the admin panel as well. Let's go to continue for checkout. It will automatically take your current location and also you can add your address like this and depending on your address, it will show you the delivery charges like this. You can choose when you want to get a delivery for today, tomorrow or at what time you want to get a delivery for the particular order. You can choose the payment method as well. The application support PhonePe, RazorPay, payment offline, cash on delivery and pay with a wallet. There are a lot of other payment gateways available. If you want to know more about the payment gateways that is supported by our application, then you can contact us with our team and they will help you the best for that. Let me try the place order with the cash on delivery. So I am going to choose cash on delivery and going to place the order. And you can see the order is successfully placed. You can track the order like this. Order is placed. And there are some status that is confirm, cooking, preparing, ready for delivery, and order on the way, that you can control from the admin panel. Every status can be changed from the admin panel. Let me reload the application to know all other REST features for the application. You can see the animated type of splash. That splash also can be controlled. Also the color, logo, icon, images can be changed as per your requirement and according to your company branding. Here we can see the cart page, order page. Our recent order is here with the status of pending. We can check our history from here. We have also given an option for reorder. If you want to reorder your previous order, then in a just single click you can do the reorder with the previous orders. Here you can see your favorite products, and in the menu section you can see my orders, order details, notifications, QR code. You can scan the QR code. The application is supported with multi-branches features, and you can generate a separate QR code for each branch, and that QR code can be scanned from this QR code option. You can manage your profile, you can manage your address, messages, check return policy, refund policy, cancellation policy, about us, and refer and earn. The refer and earn also can be controlled from the admin panel. The feature and functionality will work like when a person refer to any another person, then the referral will get an amount. That amount can be controlled from the admin panel. In the wallet, you can see the wallet. Also, the admin can give a loyalty points for a particular order. From here, you can check the application version, and there is an option for account delete, and the last option is for account logout. So all these features are available in our single vendor meat delivery application. So if you want to start your own single vendor meat delivery application like this, then you can contact us, details showing on the screen. And if you want to know more about the application, then you can also contact us with our experts. They can help you the best for that. Okay. Thank you.